Welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin's Shipment 8, due in early January 2021, so that is due in on the 8th of January, but with customs and so on, it'll take a few more weeks for that for us to unload and register and all that kind of thing, so probably due for February. But apart from that, you're going to be seeing about 50 motorcycles in these videos. Each one of them will go through the condition, mileage, price, that kind of thing, so you'll have a better idea of what to expect. We're then taking €250 deposits if you want to secure a particular bike. And do remember that the last brochure we sold up to 30 bikes before they even landed, so they do go high on demand, especially our 50s, 70s and 90s, that is, in Hondas. Remember to like, subscribe and comment down below on what you think of these videos. They do take a long time to create, so any of those is greatly appreciated. So that's it for now. So enjoy the next bike you're going to see. Enjoy the video. Bike 18 is another very rare bike. It's an all black, even black engined Honda Little Cub 50. Like I said before, there's a Super Cub 50, but the Super Cub with 17-inch wheels were never painted black. The Little Cubs were kind of a bit more adventurous on their colors, so they came in black and blue and bright red and bright yellow, a bit more fun. But this is a fuel injected model. Really nice condition, 2008 bike. As you can see, this on the right hand side, nothing really to make note of on marks wise, has a nice two-tone seat with a black and kind of a browny beige color on it. Moving on to the other side of the bike now. Again, nothing to make note of, just the pain points of these bikes. Top of the suspension, again, perfect condition. Chain guards already good. You know, it hasn't been cleaned in these pictures and it still looks really nice condition. All original, all there. 14-inch wheels, bit lower sitting than the normal Honda C50's, black rear rack on it as well. So that's it for bike 18, the Honda Little Cub 50. Okay, that's for this video, this particular bike. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like. Also comment and subscribe will be greatly appreciated. As well as that, if you do want to look at all the bikes, the brochure will be linked in the description. Just fill out that form and the brochure will be sent to you automatically. So that's really that for that video. All the other videos are linked there in the brochure or will be uploaded here on YouTube. So that's it for that video. Thank you for watching.